Hey, friend, let me ask you something. When your ideal customers need your products or services, are they finding you or are they finding your competitors instead? So, if you've ever felt like your business is being overlooked and if you're posting on social media and hearing crickets, first of all, you're not alone. Or if you've been waiting for your customers to discover you, I've got news for you. Visibility doesn't just happen, it's built and it's a lot of work. And if you don't take control of it, you're going to be stuck exactly where you are today, a year from now. And that's if you're lucky. Because the reality is, if you're not working to improve it, you're going to be falling behind. And that's just what AI has done to us. But it doesn't have to be this way. I've created the 2025 Visibility Transformation Challenge, and this is your chance to change the game for your business. This is a step by step program where you're going to learn exactly what it takes to build consistent, powerful visibility that gets your business in front of the right people. And the best part is it's completely free. Yep, it's free. So here's what you're going to gain when you sign up. You are going to get clarity. So we're going to finally understand where your visibility is falling short and exactly what steps to take to fix it. I mean, if you are like so many other business owners, we feel like we're throwing money at marketing and sometimes things work, sometimes they don't. Most of the time we feel like they don't work. And so we are going to get real clarity on where things are for you, what's working and what's not working and why. And then you're going to get momentum. So we're going to have 2 live training sessions every single month where you're going to take consistent guided action that is going to add up to real results. Have you ever heard of the compound effect? I mean, we've kind of heard of it, in life, but there's actually a book called The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy, where he really details how these little steps add up and compound. Like it gets exponentially better with consistency. So the next thing, support, because that's what we need in order to be consistent. So you are actually going to be in a community of other business owners who get it and people navigating the same challenges and celebrating the same wins. The support is critical, and I'm going to be there for you. This is not just a bunch of fluff or theory. You'll walk away with real tools, strategies, and a roadmap to start transforming your visibility immediately. Listen, the way we do business is changing. AI, social media, and local search are evolving fast, changing fast. And, in reality, we don't even know where they're going. So if we're not adapting, we are falling behind. This challenge is your chance to catch up, stay relevant, and position yourself for success in 2025. And did I mention it's free? So why wouldn't you? Oh, by the way, your competitors will not be in this challenge with you. Once someone fills the photographer slot, the realtor slot, the IT professional slot, there will not be another competitor in the challenge with you because this is about you and you dominating your competition. So let's not let another year slip by without taking control of our visibility. Sign up now, join me for this free challenge, and let's start showing up where it matters most, right in front of your customers.